Assalamualaikum. This is a video looking back on our goals at January this year. At the beginning of the month, I set the goal for January, like getting 80 subscribers for this channel. As of January 16th, I have achieved this. Thank you very much. I'm incredibly grateful about the success. The biggest thing is that the video about Sabakamara's character Jahanara has surpassed like 10,000 views for the first time on my life. Found 10,000. If I'm wrong, please let me know in the comment. But I'm thinking of approaching Muammar as a very big comedy. I feel like Sabakamara and the other actors are putting their lips on the line in this comedy sketch for very surprising and very funny things, not a horror. And now I'm revising my goals upward. By January 30th, reach 100 subscribers and create at least one video with over 10,000 views again. That's my best, so please support me and please subscribe this channel and watching my videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.